Namaste. In this video I am going to show how to split a design in half for machine. The client provided the design at 120 by 72 inches without any bleed. Since our printer has a maximum print width of 60 inches, I will split the artwork into two panels. Add a 1-inch bleed on all sides of each panel, and include a 1-inch common overlap between the two panels for gluing during installation. Let's make new artwork with 120 by 72 inches. Let's place the design. Move design outside the artboard. Resize artboard to 60 by 72 inches. Copy that artboard. Make sure there is not any gap. To conform that, click on 3-line from Artboard panel, then click on Rearrange Artboard. Give spacing 0 and click on OK. Now, go to File, Document Setup, and give 1 inch of bleed. Make block of 122 by 74 inches, which is 1 inch of bleed around. Use Eyedropper Tool, and pick color of our background. Align our design to artboard. Our design is behind that block, so click right mouse button, Arrange, Bring to Front. This is our overlapping area which will be print on both part. Now save as PDF format. Give name, and choose correct range. Make sure, from marks and bleeds, use document bleed settings is checked. Click on Save PDF. The artwork will be split into two PDF pages, each 62 by 74 inches. 3 edges will have a 1-inch bleed. And one edge will include a 1-inch common gluing area to join the two sections. Now the another method without adding new block. First place the design. Align it with artboard. Select design, and go to object, and choose Flattern Transparency. Check Convert all text to outline. This will convert the text to outlines, even if the font isn't installed on your computer. Do ungroup, and release clipping mask if needed. Extend the background to the bleed edge. This method lets us reposition each element independently, if needed. Now you can save as a PDF. Give required range. Don't forget to check bleed. Click on Save PDF. Check your PDF. Thank you for the watching.